Bonjour.
Well, okay, go ahead.
Bonjour.
How did we used to do this?
Stop. Here we go.
Okay.
Bonjour. I'm Karen,
And I'm Tim.
and this is Living a French Life.
That's not how we do it.
Yeah, why not?
No, it's not it. Do it again.
Bonjour. I'm Karen.
Too much of a gap.
Okay. Bonjour. I'm Karen. No wonder we haven't done
How about bonjour, I'm Karen?
I did.
No, you said bonjour. I'm Karen.
Okay. Bonjour. I need a pause.
Okay.
I need a pause to get
Yeah.
my next word out. Bonjour, I'm Karen.
Oh, gosh.
Okay.
All right, okay. All right.
All right. Bonjour, I'm Karen.
I'm Tim, and welcome to, where are we?
Living a French life.
Oh, and this is Living a French Life. Okay, good.
Bonjour, I'm Karen.
I'm Tim, and this is Living a French Life.
It's been a long time, honey.
Yeah, it has been a while.
Yes, it's been a very long time.
But we are still here, and this is kind of a catch-up video just to let you know that we do still exist, and the videos are going to start coming up again.
It's true. It's true.
Yeah.
Life got a little bit in the way of our restoration, as it often does, and then we just stopped documenting what we were working on, and so we're going to show you a little bit of what we've done over the last year and a half.
Yeah, we kind of got out of the habit of the filming part. We did do some filming,
Yes.
but, and we'll share those with you as we get you updated. We got quite a bit to show you. A lot has happened.
It's true. Yeah, we've got a lot done with the foundation.
Yep, that's
That-
that's finished.
That's done.
That's finished.
Are you-
And you did the walls back here with all the
Yes.
plaster with Terry
Yes.
did all
Terry,
the,
our neighbor, did the pointing on the exterior.
Looks fantastic. New windows,
New roof.
new roof, lots of insulation. Some of that stuff doesn't translate well to video, but it definitely took time and it took money, and but
Yes.
we have other things to show you too. As a matter of fact, as we get going, we're gonna see coming up the kitchen, because it's like 98% done.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Got just punch list items left.
And the garden.
Yes.
The garden has really flourished in the last 3 years, and I'm pretty proud of that.
Mm-hmm.
Show a little bit about that.
Yeah, absolutely. We'll kind of tease you a little bits of the projects that we did in the kitchen before we give you the big reveal.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll just show them what we did.
Okay. Well, since I am the editor of the video, I know what's going to happen.
That's true. That's true. For those that are new to our channel or just coming back, Tim and I moved to southwest France to this little hameau called Glandines 3.5 years ago. And we have lived in the renovation.
Yes, we have.
We had about 6 to 9 months where we rented a sheet, and after that, we just lived in a maze of boxes and destruction, and it was hard and slow, very
Yeah.
slow.
Oh, and I mean, just the amount of dust that you create.
Oh my
doing,
gosh.
I mean, sawdust, plaster dust, dust.
And not having modern conveniences. We did install a toilet.
Yeah, that was useful.
Yes,
But the
yes.
shower took a lot longer.
And it's still in progress. We'll
Yeah,
share
yeah.
that
Yeah.
mess with you that's ongoing. But we didn't have proper running water. We eventually got a hose hooked up to the old sink, but we had to boil our water. We didn't have a shower. We went to a campground. That went on for a couple of years. This is not a couple weeks or a couple months.
No.
This was camping for a really long time.
Yeah.
And that got in the way, and so we just didn't document it because we were exhausted by it all.
That's true. But the whole time it was going on, we have these fantastic neighbors. We've
Oh my
made
gosh.
friends here in town. I can't walk into any of my stores without them yelling bonjour, and I feel like I'm Norm on Cheers or something.
Yeah, that kind of dated us, honey.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Well,
we're old.
we are old.
We're a little bit old. So We are now back to our videos. We're going to show you the good, bad, and the ugly, and I hope you come along for the journey.
So join us as we update you on what's been going on with the house. There's going to be lots of great videos, and I promise they'll be semi-regular.
À la prochaine fois.
It's a pretty clean morning.
See, I put your paws in.
Take a walk outside.
And this is
And I'm about to fly.
Living a French Life.
It's fine.
Yeah, I agree.
They don't really care.
They don't.
Yeah. Right on.